Okay folks, back out. Before we start, Happy New Year everybody. It's the 2nd of January and I'm out in the field here. I've never been on before. So I'm going to try using this big coil that the big boy with a white beard bought me for Christmas. So it's the first time I've had it on. Apparently it goes deeper in a bigger area. So it's connected to a GoPro AT, the Garrett AT Pro, sorry, the GoPro. So I'm going to turn it on and I'm going to calibrate it. If anybody doesn't know how to calibrate the GoPro, just hold the mode button down when she's on. Do you hear a couple of, that's her, and she'll go to standard mode. So I'm going to take her back to Pro 0 and put the iron discrimination up to the maximum 40, and then I'm going to put the sensitivity up to full, and I'm going to ground balance her with the sensitivity up full, just to try and get most of the chatter away. That seemed to be her. Still a wee bit of chatter, but we'll try it anyway. So you'll see me in the first hole, folks. Signal here, folks. It's probably an aluminium can. Just a good big 80 coming up. So I really haven't got much aluminium in this field today, so a couple of wee pieces, but let's see what it is. What do I see? What is that? Let me see. Oh, that's near the surface, folks. Dug in the wrong place. Suggesting me it's a bit of aluminium. So let's see what we got here. Something solid. What's that? It's a belt buckle. That's not that modern. There we go, folks. First belt buckle of the day. I'll take that. That's it. Not too bad. Good job. On to the next, folks. Signal in here, folks. $77.82. It's a bit iffy. It's not getting picked up in the pinpointer. I'm going to give her a dig, folks. Probably an aluminium can, folks. Or a bit of lead. Who knows? Oh my God, Horton. Some bit of iron there too, folks. Let's see. What's that? I can't see what it is. Oh. What is it? Bit of tin foil, is it? Oh my God, what is that? It's sulfur. Jesus, sulfur comes right out of the ground good. What? Are you serious? Oh, it's a wee Victorian. Oh my God. Jeepers, that's in some like. You see that? It's like a wee fourpence I found up here one time. Oh my God, silver. What is it? Let's see it. Geez, you get a did now. I'm wearing the glasses today, good job. It's a threepence. 1886. 1886. Oh my God. Some job there. Wee Victorian. Young head too. 1886. That'll do me all day, folks. On to next. We signal here, folks. 65, 70, 71. There's no iron coming up, so hopefully. It's not too deep, I don't think. She's out. What do I see? It's my new surface, folks. Oh, what's this? What is it? Two targets here, folks. This thing's this battery must be going on her. Oh my god, look at this. Oh my god, what is that? Silver again. 4 pence. Are you serious? 2 Victorians. Oh my god. You mustn't be joking. There's something in there, I'll check it in a minute. Do you see that, folks? Another Vicky, or Victorian. Silver. Some quarter-neck too. 1843, folks. I don't know if you can see that. 1843. Oh my god. I'll get a wee photo of it. I actually have a 4-pence, which is fine up around these fields, but it's very, very worn. You can see just her head, but it's impossible. Well, you can hardly see the date on it. I'll put photos up, folks. Give you close-ups of these. On the next. Another signal in this hole, folks. This time there's no iron coming out. It's right beside that one that I dug. Well, near enough. Let's see. Oh, what is that? I think it's a bit of aluminium, folks. I can see it there. I think I can see it. Oh no, it's not. It's another buckle, folks. Is it a buckle? It is a buckle. You always like the buckles. Look at that. And a wee buckle. It's old. Good signal of it. You see that, folks? Get it on the sunlight. Here we are. Take that all day long. On to the next, folks.